show you in this module, I'll help you understand the reports and analytics of your Amazon KDP account. Here, I will basically talk about how to know when you have made sales and how much you make, and also how and when royalties are paid. These two areas are the major areas of concern that I have gotten from authors, and that's why I hope to address it in this particular tutorial so that as you are learning this, you're able to also respond to the authors you work with. Having said that, you return to your Amazon KDP account and to check for the reports of sales on your account, you just click on this part where you see reports here, click on that tab, and it's going to open up like this. So this is a dashboard of sales, right? From what we see here, this is the way it comes. It is the default way it shows. You see, we have today, yesterday, this month. Now you see it shows estimated royalties, orders, processed orders, and KENP read pages. Now you can choose to click on any of these and see specific details, but just for you to understand that Amazon only record process orders, especially for the paperback version or hardcover version. In fact, even for the Kindle, what this means is that Amazon will only record the sale when it has been delivered to the buyer. When it has been delivered to the buyer. So somebody reaches out to you and say, "Ah, I just purchased your book on Amazon," and then you rush down here to check if your book, if the sale has been recorded. No, Amazon will only record that sale when they've received the payment from the buyer and they have successfully delivered that book to that buyer. That's when the sale is being recorded, right? So you can use the options here to actually go into specific information about your book. So, for instance, you click on orders, and this will show you specific orders that has been made within a time period. The good thing about the Amazon reports is that you can actually see every information. So, like you can see here, a particular book has been purchased in this account. You see, this account has about 55 books, but between March 1st to March 8th, 2024, only one unit has been successfully processed. That's this month. And one thing I love about this particular reporting style is that you can choose a date. You can choose to see this within the last 7 days, this month, last 90 days, this year, last year, lifetime, and so on. So you can check to see how your account is doing. If I click on last month, for instance, you can be able to see, okay, 4 units were sold last month. And this is just about the unit of sales, the unit, like the number of books sold, not the amount of money made, right? So this is that's that for that. So now if you want to see how much you have made for the particular purchases that has been processed on your account, you just come to royalty estimator like this, click on that, and these two will help you analyze and estimate how much you have made based on the orders that has been processed on your account. So in this case, you see that one order that was made on this account between March 1st to March 8th earns this account about 6.36 pounds. So that one order is equivalent to 3.36 pounds. You see this month, the same 155 book, just one order. Then remember that when we checked last month, we saw 4 orders. So if I check last month now for the royalty estimator, how much has this person made? In last month, the person made 20.62 pounds. You see that? And these are the sales that were made and all of that. So This is really how to check for your royalties and the orders that has been made in your account. So one last thing I want to mention and show you is how payments are being made. So if you want to check how payment has been made, click on this, come to this privacy statement, and then you click on payment. Now, the way Amazon works is that when sales are made in a particular month, you don't get the payment on that particular month period, right? So let's look at this. For instance, you can see that this particular amount that was sent to this person on the 29th of February, how much was sent? Total of 4.83 US dollar was sent. But see the sales period. The sales period was between December 1st to December 31st. December 1st, December 31st. But this amount was sent to this author on the 29th of February 2024. This sales happened on the between the 1st of December to 31st of December 2023, but this author received this royalty on the 29th of February 2024. So that's to tell you that Amazon has a 60 days remittance period. You make a sale in December, you get paid in February. That is a period of 60 days. And that is how royalties are being paid on Amazon. They are paid after every 60 days of the time period that the sale was made. So this is for clarity for yourself and other authors that you're going to be working with. You have to be able to be sound enough to explain these things so that when a sale is being made by an author who just publishes in, say, March, they should not expect to receive their royalties in March. They are going to wait until after 60 days to get that royalty. Why Amazon does this, I cannot tell. And I hope this has been helpful to you. Any other information you would need as far as your account is concerned and reports, and just take your time, look through all of this, and you will see everything you want to see. I'll see you in the next module.